Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to make a cicada in origami. So let's get started. So cicada is an insect. First, start with the back side up, fold vertically in half. I am doing this in double colored paper. Then unfold it. Now fold the paper horizontally in half. Fold these two corners to the top point. Fold the corners symmetrically down. Leave a little gap. Now, fold one layer of paper down. Now, fold the second layer of paper down. Flip the model and fold the sides behind. Now, draw the eyes for cicada. There's a cicada. Look at my cicada. So awesome, right?
Hope you like our video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!